Hey Scorpio, this is your weekly reading from August 10th till the 16th. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, Scorpio, this is what's gonna happen for Monday till Sunday, okay? I can sense for Monday, it seems like you do not want to talk. It seems like no one wants to talk to you, or you do not want to talk. Seems like there's no communication happening from one person you really wanted to talk to you, or you do not want to talk to this person. There's a huge possibility that communication is not gonna happen either coming from you or towards this another person. It may be like a love interest or someone that is close to your heart. Okay, the connection or relationship might be family member, love interest, boss, or friend, or something like that. Okay, for a Tuesday, guys, it's simply you are at the crossroad of your life. You're debating whether to move forward or to stay. Or you're dealing with two people, crossroad in your life, or debating whether to leave or to move forward, or even in your career path. Maybe you're debating whether to move forward with your career path, or do you want to change course, or do you want to leave that career path because it seems like it's not making you anything at all, like you're getting impatient out of nowhere. That could be a possibility, I mean. Okay, another thing on a Wednesday, it seems Scorpio on a Wednesday that you what's wrong with you, Scorpio? Why are you so silent? It seems like on a Wednesday you're gonna be silent. You do not want to spill the details. You do not want to spill the tea. It seems like someone is forcing you out to tell the truth. But for you, it seems like I don't want to tell the truth because the truth stays with me, and that's all there is. Okay, again, it seems like someone wants to get the truth out of you. Okay, but at the end of the day, you really want to keep it to yourself. You're good at hiding secrets, anyways, or you're a very secretive person. On a Thursday, whatever you're manifesting is gonna come true. Okay, on a Thursday, Scorpio, whatever you are manifesting is going to come true. Congratulations. Because some of you have been waiting for this to happen, isn't it? And you really wanted to know whether is it gonna happen or not, because the waiting game is bothering me and you don't want to be bothered anymore. Scorpio. Okay, another thing, Scorpio, on a Friday, it seems like you're gonna be logical. You're gonna use your mind. It seems like your brain cells are gonna be of use because something is gonna happen on a Friday. It's an unexpected event or thing or circumstance or situation that is gonna happen that would lead you to think things through using your brain. Because the last time you checked, when you use your emotion or your heart, what happened, Scorpio? It created chaos. Okay, Saturday, I can sense you're really like showing to the world that you are super strong. You really wanted to make it. You can do it, and yes, you did. You did made it because last Thursday you already did it. And it seems like you're putting your courage out there because you do not want anyone to pull you down. Seems like not everyone is agreeable of what path you're taking in. Again, it seems like you are not agreeable with regard to the path that you are taking in. That's what I'm sensing. Yeah. And lastly, on a Sunday, wow, chill. You started your week kind of quiet, but you ended your week just simply chilling out. It's a good way though. I like it. It's really a good way for you to proceed with it, to start with it. Yeah, and to end it with a chill pill because of all the things that you've been waiting, the crossroad, the keeping the secrets, not wanting to talk about. That's really like a huge thing for you, a huge sacrifice for you. Okay, so if you want to know more with regard to this on a weekly basis or a monthly basis until the end of the year, do let me know, guys. You can book a reading with me. You can check on down on my testimonials out there, down there below. Okay, so you'll be able to check what is it really, how I deal with my clients. Okay, thank you so much for watching, Scorpio. Sending you energies of love, 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 and abundance, abundance, abundance.